Hello, everyone! Welcome back to AI Talk English, the place where you can learn English through simple and natural conversations that are easy to understand and fun to listen to.
Hi, everyone. If you enjoy learning English with our conversations, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and write a comment below to support AI Talk English.
Your support really helps our channel grow and reach more English learners around the world, so please take a moment and press the subscribe button.
Yes, please do it right now because it only takes 1 second, but it really encourages us to create more useful English learning videos for you.
By the way, my name is Emma, and I'm very excited about today's conversation because we are going to talk about something everyone loves.
And I'm Alex, and today we are going to have a fun and interesting conversation about our favorite foods and the meals we enjoy eating the most.
Food is a wonderful topic because people from different cultures enjoy different dishes, and everyone has a special food they love.
Yes, some people love spicy food, some people prefer sweet desserts, and some people simply enjoy fast food like burgers, pizza, and sandwiches.
And sometimes just talking about delicious food can make us feel hungry, even if we already ate something earlier.
That is very true, Emma. So let's begin our simple English conversation and talk about our favorite food.
Alex, I want to ask you an interesting question. What is your favorite food that you really love to eat whenever you get the chance?
That is actually a very easy question for me, Emma. My favorite food is definitely pizza because I love the taste of melted cheese, fresh toppings, and soft, crispy bread.
Pizza is a very popular food around the world. Many people enjoy it because it has so many delicious flavors and toppings.
Yes, exactly, Emma. I especially enjoy pizza with extra cheese, mushrooms, olives, and sometimes spicy sauce because it makes the pizza even more tasty.
Wow, that sounds very delicious. Now you are making me feel a little hungry just by describing it.
Honestly, Emma, if pizza was healthy enough, I think I would happily eat it almost every day.
That might not be the healthiest lifestyle, Alex, but it definitely sounds like a very tasty one.
Yes, maybe not healthy, but it would certainly be a very happy life full of delicious pizza.
It seems like you really love pizza a lot, Alex. I think pizza might be your best friend.
You might be right, Emma. Pizza and I have a very special friendship.
Alex, now it is my turn to talk about my favorite food, the dish I really enjoy eating whenever I have the opportunity.
That sounds interesting, Emma. I am really curious to know what food you enjoy the most.
My favorite food is pasta because it is very delicious, comforting, and full of amazing flavors when it is cooked properly.
Pasta is also a very popular food in many countries, and there are so many different styles and sauces that people can try.
Yes, exactly, Alex. I really love creamy pasta with cheese, vegetables, and a rich sauce because it makes the dish taste even better.
That sounds very tasty, Emma. It seems like you also enjoy cheese almost as much as I do.
Maybe that is true, Alex, because cheese has a magical way of making almost every dish taste better.
I completely agree with you, Emma. Cheese can turn a simple dish into something very delicious.
But I still think you love pizza more than any other food in the world.
Yes, Emma, you are absolutely right. My love for pizza is very serious.
Alex, I want to ask you something interesting. Do you prefer eating delicious food at restaurants, or do you enjoy eating homemade food more?
Honestly, Emma, I enjoy both options because homemade food is comforting, but eating at restaurants sometimes feels more exciting and special.
That makes sense, because restaurants often have a nice atmosphere where people can relax, talk with friends, and enjoy their meals.
Yes, exactly, Emma. Restaurants allow people to try new dishes that they might not cook at home.
I also enjoy going to restaurants sometimes, especially when I want to celebrate something or spend time with friends.
And the best part of eating at restaurants is that after finishing the meal, we do not have to wash the dishes.
That is definitely one of the biggest advantages of eating outside.
If washing dishes was a competition, I think I would lose very quickly.
I think many people would feel the same way, Alex.
Yes, Emma. Sometimes enjoying food without doing the cleaning afterwards feels like a small luxury.
Alex, I want to ask you another question related to food. Do you enjoy cooking meals at home, or do you usually prefer ordering food from restaurants?
Honestly, Emma, I know how to cook a few simple dishes, but I would not say that I'm a very skilled cook yet.
That sounds interesting, Alex. Now I am curious to know what kind of dishes you can actually cook.
Well, I can cook eggs, noodles, and sometimes simple pasta. These are easy meals that I can prepare without making too many mistakes.
That sounds like the cooking skills of someone who is still learning in the kitchen.
Yes, Emma, that is probably true. But every great chef started as a beginner at some point.
That is a very good point, Alex, because practice always helps people improve their skills.
Exactly, Emma. If I continue practicing cooking, I believe one day I will be able to prepare a really delicious meal.
When that day comes, Alex, I hope you invite me to taste your cooking.
Of course, Emma, but please be ready in case the food is not perfect yet.
Alex, when you go outside with your friends, do you enjoy trying street food from small food stalls?
Oh, yes, Emma. I really enjoy street food because it is usually very tasty, affordable, and full of exciting flavors.
That is true, because street food often has very strong and delicious flavors that people really enjoy.
Yes, Emma, and sometimes street food tastes even better than expensive restaurant food.
That can be true, because many street food sellers cook their food with a lot of passion and experience.
Exactly, Emma. I especially enjoy burgers, sandwiches, and spicy snacks when I see a good street food stall.
Street food can be very tempting, especially when you smell the delicious food while walking on the street.
Yes, sometimes the smell of tasty food can completely destroy a person's diet plan.
That is very true, because when people see delicious food, they often forget about eating healthy.
Yes, Emma, sometimes enjoying tasty food is simply too hard to resist.
Alex, have you ever had a funny or embarrassing moment while eating food at a restaurant or with friends?
Yes, Emma, I actually remember a very funny experience that happened to me last month at a restaurant.
That sounds interesting, Alex. Please tell me what happened.
I ordered a dish that looked very delicious on the menu, but I did not realize that it was extremely spicy.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous. What happened when you took the first bite?
The moment I took the first bite, my face became red, and my eyes started watering because the food was so spicy.
That must have looked very funny for the people sitting near you.
Yes, even the waiter was smiling because he probably knew that the dish was very spicy.
Did you finish the food, or did you give up?
I tried to finish it because I did not want to waste food, but I had to drink a lot of water.
Alex, do you think eating healthy food is important for our daily life and overall health?
Yes, Emma. I believe healthy food is very important because it gives our body energy and helps us stay active throughout the day.
That is true, because eating fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals can help people stay strong and feel better.
Exactly, Emma. When people eat healthy food regularly, they usually feel more energetic and focused in their daily work.
But sometimes people still choose pizza, burgers, or desserts instead of healthy vegetables.
Yes, that is very true, Emma. Sometimes delicious fast food is simply too tempting.
I think the best idea is to eat healthy food most of the time, but still enjoy favorite foods occasionally.
I completely agree with you, Emma, because balance is very important in our eating habits.
Yes, enjoying food is important, but taking care of our health is also necessary.
Exactly, Emma. Good food choices help us live a healthier and happier life.
Curious? Alex, after finishing a delicious meal, do you usually enjoy eating dessert as well?
Of course, Emma. Dessert is often the sweetest and most enjoyable part of the entire meal.
Sounds wonderful. So tell me, what is your favorite dessert that you enjoy the most?
I really love chocolate cake and ice cream because they are sweet, creamy, and very satisfying after a meal.
That sounds extremely delicious, Alex. I think many people would agree with you.
Yes, desserts usually make people feel happy because sweet food can improve the mood.
My favorite dessert is also ice cream because it is sweet, refreshing, and perfect, especially during warm weather.
That means we both definitely have a sweet tooth when it comes to desserts.
Yes, Alex. I think sweet desserts always bring a smile to people's faces.
That is very true, Emma. A good dessert can make a good meal feel even more special.
Alex, I want to ask you one more interesting question about food. What is the most memorable or special meal you have ever eaten in your life?
That is a very interesting question, Emma. I think the most memorable meal I ever had was during a family trip when we all went to a beautiful restaurant together.
That sounds lovely, Alex. Eating food with family often makes the experience more special and enjoyable.
Yes, Emma, exactly. The food was delicious, but the best part was spending time together and sharing stories while eating.
I completely agree with you, because food often tastes better when we share it with people we care about.
We ordered many different dishes that day, like pasta, pizza, grilled vegetables, and desserts, and everything tasted amazing.
Wow, that sounds like a wonderful meal and a very happy memory.
Yes, Emma, and after eating so much food, we were all so full that we could barely walk.
That sounds like a very successful and delicious family dinner.
Yes, Emma, sometimes the best food memories are not only about the taste, but also about the people we share the meal with.
Alex, this was a really fun and interesting conversation about favorite food and eating habits. I think our viewers learned many useful English sentences today.
Yes, Emma. Talking about food is a very common topic in daily life, so practicing conversations like this can really help people improve their English speaking skills.
If you are learning English, try to repeat these sentences and practice speaking them out loud so you can become more confident.
The more you practice listening and speaking English, the easier it will become to communicate in real-life conversations.
We hope this simple conversation helped you understand English in a natural and easy way.
And if you enjoyed learning English with us, please, please, please like this video, subscribe to our channel AI Talk English, and write a comment below.
Yes, your support really helps our channel grow, and it motivates us to create more helpful English learning conversations.
Also, tell us in the comments what topic you would like to see in our next English conversation video.
Thank you so much for watching and learning English with us today.
See you in the next video. Keep practicing English and keep smiling.